Presenting the Iqoo 7 Legend smartphone with legendary track design engineered not only for giving a premium look but also to please your hands. This smartphone is available in Legend color. The Iqoo 7 is available in two variants to choose from: 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage and 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage. It has dual SIM option, so you can carry a single phone around instead of two. This 6.62-inch smartphone features 120Hz AMOLED display with 1300 peak brightness along with 300Hz touch sampling rate for an enhanced visual and user experience. It also has a 4096 mm² largest vapor chamber liquid cooling system to get rid of heat quickly and evenly. The Iqoo 7 smartphone has triple rear camera and features a 48-megapixel OIS main camera with Sony IMX598 sensor to capture your memories in high definition. Powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 5G mobile platform with Adreno 660 GPU, this phone makes downloading, gaming as well as browsing very smooth. With the help of 66-watt flash charge technology, you can charge the 4000 mAh battery from 0 to 100% in just 22 minutes. The box includes smartphone with pre-applied screen protector, translucent case, Type-C cable, power adapter, SIM tray ejector, quick start guide, safety information. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.